Okay, so I'm not really sure where I ended this vlog last. It's been all over the place. It's been chaotic. Some things have happened. So things are changing in my life a little bit. I'll explain it all later. I need some time to sit down and explain it. It's just adjusting and just like, what's the word? Internalizing it, like, just, I don't know. It's all good. But anyways, I just went to my storage. I'm babysitting today. Jack is at school. But we went to my storage unit. We got water. And then we ran to the grocery store. The main reason we went because I wanted to get one of these. So I have, as you know, this. But I don't use the coffee pot ever. So I wanted something smaller to sit there so I can kind of move stuff over. And so they obviously have Keurig ones there. But then I'm like, I could just, for $40 less, I could just get this. This was only $20 and the Keurig ones are $60, I think. So I just went ahead and got this because I'm like, why not? I mean, if I want to upgrade. The nice thing about the Keurig, they're probably more simple to use. Just more convenient, but this is just fine. But I'm excited. It'll free up some space up here. And maybe I'll be able to put something else. I don't know. I also got this Alani Nu. I've been drinking these like every day. Probably not good, but yeah. Blaine wanted cheese, by the way. And it's 9:07, just in case you're wondering. So anyways, I did go to my storage unit. I got some items I do have to ship. Got some cabbage. There's a meal that Willie really has wanted me to make. Got some more spray butter. I needed some more body wash. Got some cookies for the kids and everything. Got one of these because I just like to have these. They're really good. I asked them what they wanted for lunch and they picked out these TV dinners. And then I have a spaghetti and meatball ones that I can also do. So there's those. And then I needed frozen veggies. I got corn, cauliflower, green beans, sweet peas, California style medley, and then a couple of mixed vegetables. Because these are good for a lot of different things actually, like meals too. So yeah, that's everything. I'm going to go ahead and put it away and get my items shipped. And then I don't know what I got to take photos, that's right. Okay, so this is actually kind of nice because it comes with two options. So you can do obviously the K-cup one, stick it in, or they have one where it's like the little, where you put your coffee grounds in. So that's actually really cool. I'm going to have to fill the water obviously every time I use it, but it does, so it goes up to, if I could get it, I can't get it out. 14 ounces. So, okay, that's really cool. I actually like that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and run, probably, I assume you have to like run some water through it, plain water, before you use it. So, I am going to read the directions, see what I gotta do. Well, this does come out. Like, oh, here we go. So, it's pretty little. But yeah, that'll be nice. This just opens. Okay, so I'll probably put this one in here. So I'll use that one more. But this one I'm gonna put probably up in the cupboard, but this is nice. For sure nice to have, I will say. Brewing coffee using coffee grounds, preparing for use. Okay. There we go. So yeah, I'm just gonna brew some water in there. I'm gonna move it. Let's take out my old one. this is gonna free up so much space on here. Like, let's see. Guys. Yeah, because then this just is gonna be like this. Let's take this off. Let me actually, I'm gonna wash off the counter before I set this down there. But yeah, look at that. I'm gonna put I think I'm gonna put a plant right here. I've got that one plant I think I'm gonna do. So I think that's what I wanna do. Okay, how's that look? I think I actually might move this and put the coffee maker right in front of it. Should we do that? And put this here and that there. How's that look? Is that better? I think that's better actually. And then when I use it, I can just pull it out obviously. Yeah. Okay. I like it. I'm a fan. Let's move this over. Move that. Kind of push that back. That gets pushed back. That's... Yeah, I think it looks good. I like it. Now I'm going to run the... Oh, duh. I forgot I have I have the paper towels I need. So maybe I won't put the plant there. Forgot all about the paper towel. I was wondering why it looks so empty. Okay, so maybe we'll just do the paper towel right there. How's that? And the plant is just going to have to go back right there. Yeah. I almost wonder if I should like find, no, I think this is good. There's not really any room in the drawer to put all that. But I like wanted to put the plant out. Let's see. I can move it all over if it's gonna look too cluttered. Just a second. Okay, so I just decided not to put a plant up there. I think it was starting to look too cluttered. I did just run some water through it, so it's good to go for tomorrow morning. I've got my cup there. It's a little big for the plates. I mean, I can't take that off. Let's go there. But that's okay. It just kind of doesn't sit right, but I mean, you're not going to notice that. So yeah. Let me turn on my Sunseat actually. Probably could switch these waxes out. So yeah, I have that plant there. That's good. And I just won't have a plant right here. Yeah, I like it. I think it looks good. I like that it's smaller. It like frees up a lot more of my counter space for when I'm cooking, because obviously this is not a lot of space as it is, so it looks good. So I just put the other ones back. Put that one there. Got one out on the porch. So this one out here, I just set it out here because it's like dying. I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong, to be honest. I don't know if it's not getting enough light. That's why I put it out here. It's really dusty. I need to get like that air duster, like stuff in the can that you spray for your keyboard, and dust my plants. But yeah, I don't know if I'm overwatering it, which I don't really water it. Oh, it's pretty wet, so I think it's overwatered. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. If anything, I can always get a new one. Just disappointing because this one was pretty. It had a flower, which I see the... Wait, no, this side. This has a flower right here. Sorry, I just dug my hand in the... Can't hardly see. Yeah, so I really like that pot though. But, so... that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm probably just gonna take pictures of this and sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Just out local for, I don't know, what should I do, like 50 bucks? I think they're like almost $200 brand new. So I may do 50. One last look at my counter. And this plant is doing all right, but I'm afraid it's, I don't know. I think it's doing fine actually. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put away these dishes. This I have soaking. I made Oh, I didn't even record that, but I made ribs last night. Beef chuck riblets. And I didn't really care for them. Everyone else seemed to like them a lot, but I wasn't a big fan. I made them in the oven. It takes like a couple hours or whatever, but yeah. There's Blaine being crazy. So, it's work.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Okay, so I made the kids their TV dinners, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna make up this buffalo chicken cauliflower crust pizza. I'm really excited to try this actually, so I'm gonna give that a shot. It's 380 calories for half the pizza, and if I was to eat the whole pizza, it's 760. So obviously, I'll keep it a half or under. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. I think it's gonna be really good. Okay, so it's currently 4:30. And I have this recipe I wanted to make. It's with artichoke hearts. Let me find a picture. Like, this is what it looks like. It's just like a little appetizer. I'm gonna make that right now because I'm like kind of feeling pretty hungry, and I've been wanting to make this. Just sounds really good. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm not sure when I'm gonna cook dinner yet. So let's just do this, and then we'll worry about dinner.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me.
Okay, so it's not like really cooked yet, obviously. I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat. But I kind of tasted the breadcrumbs mixture, and I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna turn out because I used this when really I'm supposed to use a dry white wine, like a Pinot Grigio, and I didn't have it, so I think that was my problem. And maybe I just used too much. I wasn't even gonna put that much in, but whatever. So we'll see how it comes out. I don't know if it's gonna be any good though. So. Okay, so by the way, those were not that good. I really tried to like them, but they were not. But for supper I'm making, it's called haluski. I don't know, it's a Polish dish. It's like the kielbasa, like noodles and cabbage, which I do have to cut up the cabbage. But I'm cooking up the kielbasa, which I already did. Well, smoked beef sausage is called, but same thing, right? So I'm just browning this up and then cooking up the noodles. It's just egg noodles. And then I did cut up my onions. And I'm gonna go ahead right now and cut up my cabbage. But yeah, this recipe is like super easy. I'll also need like minced garlic. So I'm just try to like do these in a single layer.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we could.
Okay, so it's pretty much done. I did take some of it out because there was quite a bit. And I'll add more if I feel like I need to. But here is the cabbage mixture. I'm gonna put in, not all these noodles, just some. Don't worry, I washed my hands. I'm gonna do that in a second. And then I'll add in my kielbasa. And then I think, yeah, a teaspoon of Dijon.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes